Hello guys, good afternoon. Look at this look. And catfish, but it's not a catfish. Is this a cat? Ocean catfish? No, I don't think so. So look at that breaking record. Fort Orange, Florida, 335 pounds or 675 pounds sun catfish. Ah, that's what they call the sun catfish. So that's a huge fishy. So this is the view from the restaurant. Over there, the restaurant.
Let's go, Mom.
Okay, hold on.
I'm afraid of the car too.
What?
I'm sure the car's too.
All right, let's go. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Huge catfish. Thank you for watching, guys, and bye bye for now. But look at this, guys. Oh my goodness, the car is racing out there. Oh boy. It's a nice, calm Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. That's the view, guys. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.